Okay, so this is my current rig. If you want to look inside, I have 4 RAM sticks. I have 2 8s and 2 4s, which makes 24 gigs. HyperX and Patriot. Right now I have a, oh, there's hair on, that's not good. An XFX R7 260X, of course, you know, it's a Radeon. I will be uninstalling that and installing my new R9 380 made by ASUS. And the motherboard is the Crosshair Formula V by ASUS as well. And it's the FX 9370, I think, processor, which is 4.4, overclocks to 4.7 or 4.8. So I went ahead and took the 6-pin out, and this power connector converts into an 8-pin, which I have on my new graphics card. It's okay. Well, that'll connect whenever I install it. So what I like about this case is that it has twisty things instead of those things you break out, or the actual screwdriver things. I will be giving this graphics card to my younger brother, as it is a pretty damn good graphics card for his system at least, but I need something stronger for my system, because in the WEI I only get 6 for graphics, and everything else is like 7.8, which is pretty much the highest score. I think 7.9 is the highest. In fact, my SSD is too slow for this PC, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the latch there and start to wiggle. Oh. Yeah. Grab it by the frame here and just start wiggling. Oh, it's stuck under that one. Good lord. That would have been bad. I'll just have to pull it away from it, that's all, huh? There we go, that was very easy. So I'm going to keep this on a hard surface, because I'm going to switch it with an anti-static bag that was 390 isn't, or 380, sorry. So here's a size difference that is huge. I'm actually concerned that new one is not going to fit, even though this is a full-size tower. Okay. So let's see, I need 2. Well, that one should just go right in. Okay, so taking it out of the bag now, you'll be able to finally see it a few seconds before it goes in. Do this a lot more safely. Just firmly push on the bag, take the tape off, ground myself one more time. I need one of those wrist grounding things. That would give me the most peace of mind, especially when touching a brand new component. This is it. The back has a nice plate on it, so you don't have to be nervous about touching all the chips and stuff. There's the front, ASUS logo. The DVI ports have protectors, which I'm just going to leave those there because I don't have a DVI that I need to plug into it. And the PCIe connectors, where I'm going to seat it, has a cool little bar on it. It says ASUS, of course. But that's the card right there. That's a big ass card. So let's just go ahead and get that straight into the rig, so I don't have to touch it anymore. Kind of should probably organize that a little bit better. It's not too bad. It's a lot of room, but okay. Now it's just wiggling it back in, and this fucking thing is huge, man. Holy shit! It's bigger than the motherboard. So the placement of the power connectors is actually pretty nice. When I was looking at it through the bag in the last video, it looked kind of off, but now that it's in, I see how it makes sense, and it's just right there front and center instead of all weird and awkward to the side. First thing I'm going to do is screw this baby in so it's nice and secure and in place, and then I'm going to hook the power up and we will be done. But this is a beautiful card. If anyone wants to see my specs or anything, just post in the comments and I will provide you with them. if you want to see how the card runs, well, I have a few Steam games that I can show you on. But for price and what I've read good things about this card, which is why I bought it. And I got the one made by ASUS, of course, just because I'm an ASUS fanatic. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 6-pin in. Maybe I should probably... Right, I'm going to support the card with my other hand. And then just to put... I just need to put the last 2 in to make it 8. Support the card with my left hand. So I don't put too much pressure on it. Snapped right in. Everything seems to be in order. This is a very sturdy card and very sleek. Make sure there's no plastic coverings on the fans. The fans are very light too. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to pop the cover back on. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to go ahead and actually put my old XFX one into the anti-static bag that I was provided with, just to be safe, because I'm going to give this to my brother. And probably shouldn't do that. Alright. That wraps it up. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the installation and unboxing. And if I have any problems with the card or if it sucks, I'll let you know. See you later.